In this video, I'll tell you how to check whether your RAM is faulty or working properly. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. Open the Windows search bar and type Windows Memory Diagnostic, then launch the tool. When the window appears, choose the option to restart your computer and begin the test immediately. Windows will reboot and start checking your memory for errors that could be causing crashes, freezes, blue screens, game instability, or random application problems. Depending on how much RAM you have installed, the test may take a few minutes to complete. Once the scan finishes, Windows will boot back into the desktop and display the results. If no problems are found, your RAM is probably working correctly. If errors are detected, one of your memory modules may be unstable or failing and could require further testing. This is one of the easiest built-in tools in Windows, and it's always worth running before spending money on replacement parts. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.